welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my shrimp tacos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new video. If you guys do try this recipe, make sure you tag me. I'll put my social medias down below. Also, if you guys make it some other way, go ahead and send me your recipe so I could go ahead and try that as well. So if you guys want to know how I make them, just keep on watching. So these are the ingredients that you're gonna need, except for the water, of course. You're gonna need some onion here that I already have cut and diced. Also some cabbage, and I did add a bit of radish on it as well. I just cut it very, very thin. You're also gonna need sour cream tortillas. You're gonna need some breadcrumb. This is salsa, a guacamole. I don't have flour, so I'm using maizena. I have 2 eggs, a cup of milk, salt and pepper. Then I have my shrimp here, and it's about 1.5 pounds that I have here. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel and clean the shrimp. We'll get to cooking. Okay, so we're gonna start off with cutting the milk inside these eggs here, just like so. And then just make sure you whisk. And then I already have a flour here, so we're gonna dip it in flour, then we're gonna dip it in the egg, and then we're gonna put it in some breadcrumbs. You guys could use any type of breadcrumbs. I have here like an Italian style, just because of those were the only ones that I have. So we're gonna bring our shrimp. I already have my skillet on and hot. I already washed, peeled, and cleaned the shrimp. I know I had said that I had 1.5 pounds, but I'm just gonna start doing these. I do them by section. I don't do all of them. So you're gonna get the shrimp. You're gonna put it into the flour. And make sure you coat it, and then you're gonna dip it into the egg, and then you're gonna come and bring it over. Make sure everything is covered, and then you're gonna put it into the skillet there. Okay, you're gonna do that to all the shrimp that you have. Grab your comb. Flip them over. These are done really, really quick. Okay, so I have the tortillas here. What you do is you want to take your tortillas. I'm going to put 4 on each. You could also put some cheese before you put the shrimp, but I don't have any cheese, so we're going to work with what we got, okay? The veggies, so the cabbage, and some onion. So there you go. This was a quick and easy shrimp tacos. Hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys try this recipe. It is amazing. And I'll see you guys in my next cooking video.